Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mount the tripod onto your GoPro Fusion 360. To mount the tripod, it's pretty easy. You just need to slide this bottom part in like that, and then you should see a hole here, and insert the screw that's included like that and screw it in. Depending on how hard you screw in, then it's gonna be easier or harder to rotate the camera like that. And now the tripod is on. You can just open it and place your camera like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.